Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie.
And I'm Paul. Charlie, today I'm excited. I tried something new last night.
Really? What is it, Paul? You look very proud today.
Yes, I tried the shadowing method for the first time. And you won't believe it. I actually enjoyed it.
That's wonderful. I feel the same way. Shadowing is simple but very powerful. And today, friends, we will show you how it can help you speak English more fluently.
Charlie, when I first heard the word shadowing, I thought it meant following someone like a spy.
That's true, it sounds like that. But in English learning, shadowing means repeating what you hear at the same time.
Yes, and I tried it with an English podcast. I felt a little silly at first.
Everyone feels like that. But after a few minutes, your brain starts to copy the rhythm and pronunciation naturally.
So Charlie, how can beginners start with shadowing?
Very simple. Step 1. Choose a short audio or video, something clear and slow. Step 2. Listen once. Step 3. Play it again and repeat with the speaker, not after, with.
When I tried this, my tongue felt faster. My sentences flowed more easily.
Exactly. Shadowing trains your mouth to move like a native speaker. It builds confidence too.
I also noticed that I stopped translating in my mind. I just spoke.
That's the magic of shadowing. It connects your ears, brain, and voice.
So the lesson is simple. Don't wait to be perfect. Start practicing, even if it feels strange.
Yes, every small step makes you stronger. And shadowing is one of the fastest ways to sound natural in English. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also like my video and leave a comment.